In this video, we are going to be learning how to disconnect Canva from Google account. To disconnect your Google account from Canva or vice versa, you can go ahead and open the Canva application on your mobile device or sign in to Canva homepage on a web browser. After you're in the homepage, tap on the menu button at the top left, and from the menu options, tap on your name drop-down. Now, click on Settings from the expanded menu. Inside Settings, tap on Your Account. Swipe down from the Your Accounts tab and tap on the Disconnect button right next to Google account. Click on Disconnect in the pop-up and you will then be able to disconnect your Google account from Canva. That is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.